Hi there! In this Viral Ideas Empire review, I'm going to show you a powerful training and tool set that helps you find red hot trends and turn them into money-making digital products, videos, Kindle books, Etsy items, and more, all using free tools and AI. Stick around because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades, OTOs, so you'll know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 6 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab Viral Ideas Empire through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. What is Viral Ideas Empire? Viral Ideas Empire is a complete training system that shows you how to find trending ideas fast and turn them into profitable digital content using AI and free tools. It's perfect for anyone who wants to create digital products, Kindle books, Etsy listings, YouTube videos, viral posts, and never run out of ideas again. What's awesome? You don't need tech skills, paid tools, or any experience. The system is designed to help total beginners and seasoned creators spot what's hot before it blows up. I want to be honest, this isn't some magic software that'll make you rich overnight. Viral Ideas Empire gives you the system, training, and prompts to create content that works, but you still need to take action. Standout features that caught my eye. Step-by-step training. Includes a 66-page guide and 5 training videos. Trend spotting sites. Discover trends before they go viral. Profit ideas with AI. Learn how to use ChatGPT and other tools to create viral content. Real examples. See how to turn trends into cash. Bonus trainings included product creation workshop and copywriting course, valued at $97 plus. How it works? It's super simple. Step 1. Learn how to spot a trending topic using secret sources. Step 2. Use the included prompts or tools like ChatGPT to create content, products, or videos. Step 3. Monetize it. Sell, publish, or promote it online. It works in any niche: health, money, pets, hobbies, books, crafts, you name it. Let's play a quick demo video so you can see it in action. OTOs and funnel breakdown. Here's what you'll see after grabbing the front end for just $17. OTO 1, 902, trend prompts, $27. Get access to a huge collection of prompts to find viral trends and profit angles. OTO 2-1,808 extra prompts, $27 double down with even more unique untapped ideas. OTO 3-3,868 advanced prompts plus profit plans, $37. This one's stacked, massive value for marketers, creators, and freelancers. OTO 4, 3,264 online marketing trends, $37. Create funnels around what's hot right now in the marketing world. OTO 5-3,297 Kindle book ideas, $47. Dominate Amazon with books in trending niches. OTO 6-4,096 Etsy. Product ideas, $47. Perfect for those creating or selling digital products and printables. My tip: go for OTO 1 and OTO 3 at minimum. They'll give you a huge edge in the trend game. What I like about Viral Ideas Empire: beginner friendly and zero tech needed, crazy amount of value for a low one-time price. Tons of real examples and training. AI plus trend system, endless monetization potential, flexible, works for bloggers, YT creators, Etsy sellers, and authors. What could be better? It's not for you if you want a done-for-you push-button tool. You'll need to take action and build. It's a system, not a shortcut. Final verdict: if you're looking for a low-cost, high-impact way to turn viral trends into profits, Viral Ideas Empire is a smart buy. It gives you the exact system successful creators use to ride the trend wave, and now you can plug in and do the same, with AI doing the heavy lifting. You can grab Viral Ideas Empire using my link below, and don't forget to check out the exclusive bonuses I've put together. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my Viral Ideas Empire review. If you found this helpful, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and money-making tips. See you in the next video.